The fast-paced crypto town has been delivering groundbreaking unique projects every day. One of the innovative crypto assets that stunned the space with its distinctive features is Filecoin. The network, with its decentralized file storage system and growing metrics, has established its reign in the business. After its massive run in 2021, where the asset scored triple-digit returns, marketers are keen on investing in FIL. Are you keen on investing in FIL but doubt of its projections in the near term and in the long term? Well, in today's video, we bring to you the plausible FIL price predictions for 2025 and the years to come. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all of the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we're going to be talking about four main things. What is Filecoin? Filecoin is a storage network based on blockchain technology that turns cloud storage into an algorithmic market. It aims to provide all its users worldwide with a safe place to store common and sensitive data or information. Best of all, FIL is designed to be user-friendly in a way that has special software that enables its users to store data on a PC's hardware. The Filecoin network was launched in 2014 and was designed by the Protocol Labs. It is built on top of the interplanetary file system, allowing users to rent unused hard drive spaces. On the other hand, the miners that facilitate or provide data storage or retrieval of files are rewarded by the network. To be specific, there are many types of data and files that the Filecoin network supports. For example, company files, private data, websites, videos, personal files, public databases, podcast data, contract data, and security archives, to name a few. Now that we have an idea about FIL, do you think FIL will be profitable crypto in 2022? Join me and let us see its price prediction. Currently, FIL holds the 37th place on CoinMarketCap. But will the latest updates, developments, and changes in the FIL blockchain help the cryptocurrency price to go higher? First off, the Relative Strength Index (RSI) measures the relative momentum in the magnitude of recent price changes so as to deduce oversold or overbought assets. The RSI value of one-day chart is 40.96. This shows that FIL is showing a neutral trend since it is between 30 and 50. This value is triggering a bullish run since more buyers are responding as the value is moving further from the 30 RSI value, which is the oversold region. From the chart above, the 200 MA is above the 100 MA, which means that long-term investors would gain. However, since the gap between the two moving averages is wide and both moving averages are above the recently formed candlestick, the next bullish run might be long. TradingBeasts use linear and polynomial regressions to provide the FIL price forecast. The site indicates that FIL will trade at $7.40056 in July and drop to $7.13090 in December. Filecoin will be bullish in 2023. Its average trading price in January will be $7.23537 and $10.45233 in December. In 2024, the Filecoin average price will rise from $10.78248 in January to $13.81158 in December. In 2025, the Filecoin average price will rise from $14.04587 in January to $16.2119 in December. Filecoin has strong fundamentals that will help it maintain its value in the future. Digitalcoin Price. Filecoin has lost over 80% of its value this year. It will sell at $8.28 and trade sideways for the rest of the year, reaching a maximum value of $8.94 in September. Filecoin will experience a significant increase in its value from 2023. In 2023, its average price will be $8.8. It will register a maximum price of $9.63 and a minimum price of $7.99. In 2025, its average price will be $12.13. It will register a maximum price of $13.39 and a minimum price of $10.34. In 2030, its average price will be $27.59. It will register a maximum price of $28.19 and a minimum price of $26.51. Price prediction 2022. Filecoin had sliced through 250 days MA from the start of the year with a price tag of $34.39. The digital asset has been on a steady downtrend, which resulted in the altcoin closing its trade for January at $22.19. Whilst the price did pose a gradual uptrend until the 8th of February when it hit $26.82, the leg up was short-lived as tensity across the global markets dragged the price down to its support at $18.96. FIL price was seen hovering closer to its support levels until the 27th of March, when it showcased a 25.7% spike in its daily candle. Following this, the trade for the first quarter was closed at $27.76. After a bullish close to the previous quarter, Filecoin had made its way to the second quarter with a price tag of $26.037. Moving forward, FIL had a steep fall of over 80% to $5.0416. For Q3, on a bullish note, the FIL price could surge to $6.478. With announcements of major updates, collaborations, and adoptions, the price could soar to its quarterly high of $7.544. That said, day-to-day trade practices could settle the price at regular levels of $6.457. Conversely, prolonged bear activity and lack of volumes could strike the price down to $5.37. For Q4, the fourth quarter remains imperative for the broader crypto fraternity, so as for Filecoin, optimism and positive social sentiments could impart impetus to the price of the digital asset. Moreover, with the successful rollout of updates and projects, the price could soar to its potential high of $10.612. On the flip side, the protocol failing to stand true to its expectations could result in the asset finding support at $6.88. That said, considering the bullish and the bearish targets, the average price could settle at $8.734. Price prediction for 2023. If the altcoin hits joyous highs by the end of 2022, then 2023 may start with a bullish note, as some of the upgrades are in the pipeline if the network fails to introduce at the said time. Then the price may end up trading at $9.465 by the end of 2023. With successful upgrades, the asset could moon to $17.361. However, with regular buying and selling pressures, we could see FIL price trading at an average of $13.247. Price prediction for 2024. The year 2024 remains of vital importance for the crypto industry as it marks Bitcoin's halving event. If the crew behind Filecoin make the most out of the year by rolling out developmental upgrades and community building initiatives, the price of FIL might propel to its potential high of $27.369. However, factors like soaring inflation numbers and negative criticism cannot be ruled out. In such circumstances, the digital token could sink to the lows of $15.053. That said, the lack of fulfilling events could limit the price to average levels of $21.129. Price prediction for 2025. By the end of 2025, the Filecoin price might continue to peak and it may break all its past records. The firm might announce new services to its trading to draw investors in. Therefore, the asset might reach the $41.026 mark. However, if any strong regulatory restraints impact the price action, then the FIL price may end up trading at $22.484. That said, constrained by an upright momentum, the regular price might find its base at $30.475. Lastly, Filecoin is now considered one of the most popular projects in the blockchain-based storage domain. The number of Filecoin holders is increasing day by day, and many crypto traders are choosing Filecoin as their first altcoin. Now, Filecoin ranks in the top 50 crypto coins in the crypto market as per the data of CoinMarketCap. That wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.